In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a public dashboard in Asana. We'll walk through how to access your dashboard, grab a shareable link, and understand what public really means inside Asana so you can share confidently and securely. Start by opening your browser and heading to Asana's login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google if that's how your account is set up. Select your Google account to complete the sign-in. If your team uses single sign-on, this will get you right into your workspace so you can move straight to reporting. Once you're in Asana, look to the left sidebar and click Reporting. This section brings together dashboards across your projects so you can monitor progress and trends in one place. From here, open the dashboard you've already created. If you're managing multiple dashboards, choose the one you want to share so the next action applies to the right view. At the top right of the dashboard, click the More Actions button, the icon with 3 dots. In that menu, select Copy Dashboard Link. This creates a link you can send to teammates who already have permission to view the dashboard. It's quick, it's consistent, and it points directly to the latest live data. Now, an important note about public. Asana does not generate a truly public, universally accessible dashboard URL. The link you copied will only work for people who are licensed users in your workspace or invited guests who have access to the underlying projects or data sources. If someone without the right permissions tries to open it, they'll hit a sign-in screen or an access error. This is by design to keep your work secure. If your goal is to share the dashboard beyond your immediate team, make sure the recipients have the necessary access first. Add them as guests to the relevant projects, or confirm they're members of the workspace that owns the dashboard. A quick way to double check is to paste the link into a private or incognito browser window. If you see a login prompt, the link isn't publicly available, which is expected behavior. Need to share insights with a broader audience that doesn't use Asana? Consider distributing read-only snapshots of your charts, like screenshots or exported visuals, and provide brief context alongside them. This keeps sensitive data protected while still communicating the story behind your metrics. That's the process. Sign in, open reporting, select your dashboard, use more actions, and copy the dashboard link, keeping in mind Asana's permission-based sharing model. Use it to share clearly, securely, and with confidence.